Good morning. Good morning. Wow, this is amazing stuff to see, guys. Bitcoin passing 46K was a big deal. Closing over 46K yesterday, huge. We haven't seen this in quite some time. We have to go way back to the beginning of the year, even into December, where we saw a weekly close over this mark. So this is really big for crypto and really big for kind of the future of what we think could be the start to a bull run. So Bitcoin, yes, indeed, moving nicely. It's up 14% here in the 7-day, 6% in the last 24 hours. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. It's First Sip in Crypto, and I got my coffee here, literally about to take the first sip. So if you want to do it with me, let's go. All right, so as this show gradually moves along, I'll get more and more interesting because I'll have more and more caffeine in me. So welcome in, everybody. Let's see what's going on in the comment section. We'll give everybody a chance to, number one, smash that like button and let everybody get in here and hang out with us here on a Monday morning. Hit that like button, Crypto Art. You got it. Good morning, Truck and Drum. How we doing, man? Good morning. Hope we all have a great Monday. For sure, Guitar Dude. Let's do it, man. Let's make it a great Monday for all of us. Are you investing in Pesa? No, I'm not. Me? Good morning, Tony. How we doing, man? Loving these green candles. Let's go. Yeah, definitely, brother. Definitely. Ethereum back up over 3,300. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. It's about damn time, right? It's about damn time. Solana well over 100 now. ADA back up comfortably over $1. Loving it. Bitcoin moving indeed. Noah, what's happening? Yeah, I'm excited too, brother. I am excited too. That's what's up. Good morning. Let's go. Smash the like button. Yeah, Jay Crypto. Like the smash button. Smash the like button. We're going to hop into it and jump into all our favorite altcoins. I see some people out there buying a bunch of altcoins a couple days ago. You're looking nice. Hope we could see just a sniff of the run like we had back in October. Yeah, Luke, I mean, I think it's certainly feasible. I've been on record saying that, I think this next surge is going to bring even new and more new crypto investors into the space. I really do. What's up, J Rome? How we doing, man? Hoping Shiba gets into the threes today. Yeah, we'll have to watch it here. Right now, SHIB's at 2,644, up about 9%. So let's see. What's up, Russ? Give us some good Shiba Inu news. Well, there's a lot to talk about with SHIB, Russ. I mean, a lot of things coming here in 2022. I know the price hasn't been moving as quick as people want it to, but nothing really has, right, across the entire crypto space. But a lot of things in the works. It's not just price point that we're watching with SHIB, right? It's a lot of different things like ShibaReum, the Shiba Inu TV, the Shiba Inu games, various new NFT projects, right? Shiba Inu burning mechanisms being put in place. So it's a lot of things. When we look at Shiba Inu, it's not just the price. Good morning, Dave. How we doing, man? Sarah, good morning. Altura, question mark. I haven't looked at that one too much, me. Shiba Doge to the moon, Truck and Drum. What's happening, man? Yeah, Shiba Doge. What's it been doing, actually? I haven't looked at Shiba Doge in a little bit. Let's see. It was down into the mid threes for a little bit, which I thought was a pretty good time to accumulate. Where they have it under SHIB Doge, right? I always screw this one up. Shiba Doge or SHIB Doge? I think it's under SHIB Doge. There it is. And it pops up as Shiba Doge. Yeah, it's still in the mid threes. So it's still in that consolidation period, guys. SHIB Doge. I do think this is primed to pop again here soon. For sure. See this consolidation, nice sideways action. I mean, for a little while here too, right? Pretty much since about 3 weeks ago, right? Elon and UFO 8-0. That's what's up. Oh yeah, I'm still invested in UFO too. That's legit. I haven't looked at UFO in a while, Judo. So what's up? Good morning to you, man. Elon. Oh yeah, did 8-0. Look at that. Back up 25%. Doge Elon Mars. Getting back to where it was in first week of February. So that's cool. I like it. That's been on a nice little tear, actually, huh? Wow. For about last 12 days, it's been on a nice little tear. Look at that. Doge on Mars. Who knew? I wasn't even, well, I was paying a little bit of attention last week when somebody brought it up, but haven't been looking at it every day. So That's good to see. Doge on Mars doing well. Let's go look at UFO because I'm still invested in this one too. Is it UFO the truth? It's UFO gaming basically. I don't think this is it. Is it? Yeah, this is it. This is it. All right, so it's up about 13%. This thing has come way down. Why is that all jacked up on Dex Tools? Okay. I guess you could see a little bit what I'm talking about there. So back in November, this thing freaking exploded. See, I got it. I picked it up down in December down in here, like, what I thought was a dip, and then we got the dippity dip. So I'm a little upside down here, but yeah, I'm about 5x away, give or take. Oh no, I'm about double. Okay, it's got a double here. Okay, I'm okay with that. UFO is a big gaming infrastructure, guys. Play to earn gaming infrastructure. Really cool setup, honestly. I think they can perform pretty well over time. Gaming is going to be so big. There's going to be so much room for a lot of big players. I think. You look at Gala, you look at UFO, you look at Engine. I mean, just so many ways you can go with gaming, but I think you got to stick to your guns and pick a few. Dojo on Mars, it certainly is moving. What's up, Sinew? Yo, let's go. Saitama still in the gutter. Hey, they got some good news though. Saitama got some great news actually with the OKX listing. I'm looking forward to seeing what this does for him. Saitama, it's up a little bit, back up to 1473. That's good to see. Wow, up 41%. That's good. That's good. I mean, we were just here, before a couple days ago, a few days ago. So there you go. That's kind of what we're looking at right now with Saitama. This is a good little pop in the chart here, up 41%. Okay. On the heels of some really good news. So if we go over to their main Twitter page, they just popped this out here this morning. So if you're new to the stream, number one, smash that like button and check this out. So voting results of popular meme token projects. Here we go. They took votes for 7 different meme tokens. The results of voting are hereby announced. The 4 projects that are getting listed: Saitama, Milo Inu, Shiba Predator, and Pitbull. So spot trading for Saitama to USD and Milo to USDT opens tomorrow at 6 a.m. UTC. 6 a.m. UTC. And then withdrawals open up for all of these assets 10 a.m. UTC tomorrow. So this is tomorrow, going live on OKX. And if we go over to OKX and we see where they are in terms of volume, they're pretty good. I mean, they're pretty high, which is good. It's good. This is a good get for Saitama. This definitely is. I've been calling for exchanges for a long time. I think this is how the ecosystem will grow. So I'm looking forward to seeing what this does for Saitama. I really am. Now, let me go over to CoinMarketCap because it's easier to navigate over here. Where the hell was I going to look? Shit, I just lost my train of thought. Oh, exchanges. Here we go. Okay. OKX right here on volume is ranked number 18 in the 24-hour volume. Okay. So this fluctuates. A lot of people are asking, well, how is it top 10 sometimes and not top 10? Because the volume fluctuates a lot, right? And they're just going by daily volume here. So Binance is pretty much clearly always up here as number 1. They really have no competition in terms of daily volume up here. I mean, look, 23 billion. The next biggest is Coinbase Exchange with 3 billion. Right? Then you got FTX and Kraken, KuCoin. These are pretty much always kind of up there as well. Gate.io is always in the fray. Crypto.com is always in the fray. Gemini is always in this kind of range as well. Oh, actually, if we sort by volume, there we go. OKX is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rank 6 in 24-hour volume. Yeah. So, I mean, this is actually, in 24-hour volume, it's higher than Crypto.com and Coinbase. OKX. So this is a big exchange. I'm curious to see, what this does in terms of new holders, but we are up 40% today. And guys, again, when it's good, I'll say it's good. This is good. This is good news. And when it's critical, when it's not good, I'll say it's not good. And then people will call me a futter because I can't say anything critical about Saitama. Okay. But it's fine. Today's a good day for Saitama. Up 42% and climbing here a little bit. We get a listing here very soon. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I'd love to see that October run as well, too, Guitar Dude. Definitely. Yeah, Saitama back up 42% right now, guys. Good morning, Frederick. How we doing, man? Market's looking amazing. Indeed, my friend. Indeed. Do I think SHIB will drop in a zero within the next few months? Certainly possible. Certainly possible. Saitama got a new exchange. It doesn't change its app not working. Yeah, Oregon. I mean, they still have a lot of work to do with the app. 100%. Saitama needs a lot of work still. 100%. Big Fiji, thank you so much for the $100 bomb, man. Check out Banana Task Force 8 presale in April. First project to have everything done way before launch. Looks bullish. Banana Task Force 8. Interesting, man. Will do. I love pre-sales. Definitely like getting in early on some things, especially if we can get a beat on, what it is they are and what they're doing. Speaking of pre-sales, guys, we got the CVC pre-sale that we're definitely going to talk a little bit about. A lot of people involved in that one. No question about it. But let me write this one down. Banana Task Force. What a name, by the way. Task Force Ape. All right. Big Fiji, I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much for the big donation there to the channel. What's up, Glenn? Yeah, only 60% could go back to all-time highs. Yeah, speaking of Saitama, yeah. So in order for it to get back to all-time highs, this is what Glenn is speaking of. It's got to move up over 1,400%. Okay, so 40% today, that's a good start. That's nice. It's a good start. But, a lot of room to go in order to get back up into, all-time high range. That's why people are asking, are we going to get back to all-time highs this month or I don't think so. I mean, do you see it going up 1,400% here? I mean, it's hard enough to move this needle now because it's such a big project, which is good, right? I mean, it's got a lot of holders. It's got a high market cap. But when you have those things, it's harder to move the needle, right? Versus a new project where it can just 100x. Yeah, Boca, we're live. We're live at 9 a.m. or actually 9:10. So we've been on for about 13 minutes or so. No worries, man. No worries. I might have forgot to drop it in chat too, but yeah, you pretty much every Monday through Friday, everybody, when you see this, pop up, you're going to see something like, I think I'm going to call it just First Sip in Crypto now. So it's kind of consistent. First Sip in Crypto. A lot of people are asking too, if I could do night streams as well. I might move toward that as well, because there's a lot of people who just don't catch this, especially on the West Coast, right? Because right now on the West Coast, we're at 6:18 a.m. So a lot of people on the West Coast are just not up yet. They're not up and at it. So what I might start doing is start doing a morning stream and an evening stream, maybe less videos sprinkled in, just because I'm going to do 2 streams a day and less videos throughout the day, right? Let me know if you guys would be up for more live streams per day rather than, I would say at least get a morning stream in, right? At least get a morning stream in, and then, most of the time get an evening stream in as well. Nathan says ShibToro 0% buy tax coming in the next 30 minutes. Oh, that's interesting. So yeah, guys, Saitama getting listed to OKX. That's a big one today. But let's see this ShibToro no buy tax here. What's going on with that? This is a flexonomics deal. Yeah, we have 0% buy tax for the next 12 hours. Wow. No buy tax for the next 12 hours. And this is all with flexonomics, guys. All with flexonomics. This allows community members to do what they want. Like, they're in control of this project, the people who own it. That's what ShibToro, that's what I love about ShibToro. They own this project, like literally, like they make the decisions. Flexonomics at work. Yeah, I wanted that to be separate. Very cool. That's very cool. Let's see. Crow is pumping. Yeah, everything is pretty much pumping, man. We're loving it. We're loving it. Loving it. Where's CoinGecko? There we go. Where's Crow? Is it up to 50 cents yet? Almost. Damn near. Damn near at 49 cents. I love it. CJ Rome, you're up out there in Washington State, but a lot of people are, man. A lot of people are missing this because it's so early. It's only 20 after 6. Closed above 46 level. Get ready, fellas. Bullish on Dogecoin, though. I like it, Tatted. Yeah, so we're bullish on the overall market for sure. But yeah, Dogecoin's up 25% in the last week, so that's nice. That's nice to see. Yeah, this is an interesting idea. I do think Dogecoin will have another surge because there'll be new investors who heard about it the first time but didn't get in. Right? We're down here at 11 cents right now. I think that's a good good assessment there, Tatted, as we're getting ready for another bull run. I think it'll be Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. I really do. I think Dogecoin could certainly have another pop here in this next bull run. That's a really good point because you're going to have a lot of new investors coming in, right? Who may have heard about Dogecoin during the last run but never got in, right? I think there'll be a lot of people like that, actually. That's a really good point. They say more streams, live stream. What happened to podcasts for insiders? Villa, it's a time thing, man. I was going to start doing it and maybe here's the thing, Villa. I need to back down the amount of videos if I'm going to do more live streams and podcasts. And, I tried it for a little bit. We tried it for like a week or two and I just couldn't do it, man. There's too much to be done. Now, I will say this, guys, I am starting to outsource a lot more things so I can just focus on content. The admin stuff has really kind of bogged me down over the past few months. And quite frankly, man, I've been a little stressed out. So I'm getting better with it. All this stuff is new to me, man. This whole new job, this whole new world, this is all new to me. So I'm learning how to kind of handle all this and take it in stride. And but I do want to do more live streams for sure. So, it's probably going to be less content, like less videos and more lives because you got to give something to get something, right? That's how the world works. You can't have everything. Can't have everything for nothing. You always got to give something to get something. New to crypto, wanted to know what the risks in staking are. Looking at the rates of return, it looks good. Looks too good to be true. Just want your insights on staking. No, it's legit, especially when you go over to crypto.com, right? Hugo, thank you so much for the $20 donation, man. I really appreciate that. And I want to show you this over here, Hugo, because this is probably some of the best rewards over here, over on crypto.com. So if you come over here, go under the products tab, go to crypto earn under grow here. And Hugo, I'm going to drop your comment down, but I'm going to share the screen with you. Earn up to 14.5% on your crypto. You can start to calculate your reward. So check this out, guys. USD coin. All right, you have to stake $400 or less. There's a $4,000 level, and then there's a $40,000 or more level for Crow staking. All right, staking means the holding of your Crow in crypto.com is locked up for a period of 6 months. Okay. Then you can start to see these are all the assets that you can get rewards on after staking your Crow. All right, so earn 500 per year paid in USDC. If you go with 5,000, right? USDC. Now let's say we wanted to go 100,000. Now we can earn 10,000 per year paid in USDC. Let's say we wanted to put $1 million in USDC coin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That means we're going to passively make 100 G's. Rewards paid weekly. And that's your weekly reward payout, 1923.08 weekly payout. This is after you just stake. This would be staking $1 million for 3 months. All right, now you can go flexible and earn 20 per year. Now it's less rewards though, and your PA percentage is lower. You go 1 month, there's your 6%, 2% PA rewards also paid in Crow. Now again, if you go 3 months, bang, there comes that 10%. Right, that's what's up. So crypto.com, I haven't really fully taken advantage of this yet. I've only staked at the 4,000 level just a couple times. I didn't have $1 million in USD, C coin though. I was pretty much just doing the 4,000 crow staking and earning, about 8%. Can I put crow in here? Yeah. And basically earning 6%. That's what it was, 6%. By staking right around, I think I had about 5 or 6 grand in crow. That's what I was doing. So yeah, staking is really, really a great way, guys, to earn passive income, but also a great way to make money during the bear markets too, right? Especially if you're dealing with a bunch of, profits that you made during the bull market. You put that stuff over in USDC when you take profits over there during the bull market, right? Now you hold that USDC for a little bit, and then you just migrate that right over to crypto.com and stake it. Now you're staking all of your profits that you made during the bull run, right? And earning more passive income. I mean, that's the shit, right? That's how you do it. So, let's see. Yeah, morning is a good time for streaming, but I do want to hit the evenings too. Drew says more streams. Venture into the night streams last night with a wolf pack. Yeah, I saw that poker tournament last night, Glenn. Saitama, biggest catalyst in the immediate future is just to get fully functioning app that is ready for full launches of new tokens. I agree 100%, Luke. And their dynamic staking will bring a lot of holders, in my opinion. I agree, dude. This is what I've said, Luke. I've said this all the time. I say this all the time. The dynamic staking is a big freaking deal. But I'm not going to go over and put my Saitama over there when the app doesn't work, right? So yeah, I agree. A fully functional app, they need to have that ready to go before they list Lucky Roo. I hope they don't go and list Lucky Roo like they did with Seder Realty and have another shit show. I don't want to see that. But guys, good news today out of Saitama. We are up about 40% right now. We do have some good news, and again, when it's good, I tell you it's good. When it's bad, I tell you it's bad. Today's a good day. Up 40%, and we've got the OKX listing happening tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow. So that's a big deal. But Hugo, hopefully that helps, man. We're going over the staking stuff. I'm going to go a lot bigger into this, into the Crow coin, into the crypto.com reward systems. Guys, it's a great way to earn passive income. And I mean, when you can get up to even like at this $4,000 Crow staking level, I mean, look at this. You can earn 8% on stable coins. I mean, so by staking 4,000 Crow for 3 months, you're unlocking 8% on DAI, 8% on Tether, 8% on USDC. Not to mention the 6% on Kronos, 4% on Bitcoin. I mean, this is great shit. Look at this. You get 12% on Polygon and 12.5% on Polkadot just by locking up $4,000 of Crow. I mean, that's a great deal there. I mean, shoot. You can earn 12% on your Polygon just by putting $4 grand away in Crow for 3 months. That's pretty nice. That is pretty nice. Good morning, Paul. How we doing, man? You too, man. Have a great day. Happy Monday to you. Elon, this is great news. Yeah, Lydia, Elon is looking solid this morning. Dogelon Mars performing nicely here this morning. We'll go ahead and take a look at the charts here in a little bit. Yes, OKX, Saitama getting listed on OKX. Saitama's getting listed on OKX. That's big news. I love it. That's great stuff for Saitama and the Wolfpack. I'm hoping we can maybe even double in price here just on the heels of this news, right? It'd be nice to get back up into the threes. Right now, we're about at the 15 range. If we could just double up, get back into the threes, I think that'd be a huge win. It's going to be tough to get back to all-time highs, right? I mean, that's just not going to happen anytime soon, guys. We got to move up essentially 1,500% to get back to all-time highs. Swift token releasing NFT soon. Interesting. I am almost out of the hole. Nice, Paul. What is Shiba's resistance level? AJ, it's let me pull it up here. Let's pull it up here. I think it's in the threes somewhere, mid threes. Let me see. Yeah, essentially, yeah, we're kind of at a little bit of a resistance here. I mean, we just haven't been here long enough, but really, right in here, we got kind of stopped a couple times, right in these low to mid threes, right? So if we can break through this area, That'll be nice. There's the SHIB chart. Yeah, we're up about 9%, so that's good to see. SHIB's on a steady climb, 2652. I mentioned, guys, when SHIB dips down here is where you want it. 21, 2120. Mentioned this over the last couple weeks. I mean, this is how you can make money here, just on swing trading. See, it dips down in here. It's got a lot of support down here, 2120, and it reverses. It's done that pretty much every time it's been down there. I did see this. Yeah, no buy tax on ShibToro. That's awesome. For the next 12 hours. Yeah, I just tweeted about it. Something's in my eyeball. God damn. A good good morning to you. What's up, Reese? Market is pumping. Exciting days ahead, especially with CVC launch. Hoping for $100 million market cap first day. Great time to launch in a bull run. Yeah, I agree, Reese. I think we're all looking forward to this CVC launch. 100%, bro. A lot of people got into the pre-sale. I'm very confident that a lot of people, are banking on this thing to perform well. So I threw 1 ETH into it. I didn't max it out. I might look back and say I wish I did, but I don't know. I felt comfortable putting the 1 ETH in there. I felt good about it. So yeah, this is pretty cool too. Over the weekend, they officially announced CoinViewCap will be listed on Dojo Swap and Uniswap on Wednesday. So Dojo Swap and Uniswap on Wednesday. That is March 30th, guys, 1 to 3 p.m. Eastern on Dojo Swap and Uniswap. March 30th, 1 to 3 p.m. Eastern on both. So, yeah, this is going to be very anticipated. A lot of people are excited. A lot of people want to see this thing do well. It says here they have the audits.finance who audited their smart contract. All right, so that's good news. So yeah, it's going to be a big day. We're gonna see what happens, and again, that is going to happen on Wednesday from 1 to 3 p.m. That is CoinViewCap launching March 30th, 1 to 3 p.m. Yes, I am invested in Dream, and Reese, thank you so much for the donation there, man. I really appreciate that. Do you think Solana is a good project? Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, definitely. I own Solana. Yeah. For me, it's a nice hedge against my Ethereum bet because I got a big bet on Ethereum. I mean, let's just face it. I'm heavy as hell into Ethereum. So because I'm so heavy into Ethereum, I wanted to hedge my bet a little bit. Well, where did I hedge my bet? I hedged my bet with Cardano and Solana right here. These two. They're the other two in the top 10 that have been around the longest. I just think they're nice. They're nice bets against ETH. I don't think they're going to take over ETH anytime soon, by the way. I just think they're going to be members of the same space, right? And do similar things and obviously work in the same area. So I want Cardano, I want Solana, but I want more ETH. And that's where I'm at with it. So yeah, I've got a shit ton of ETH, so I wanted to balance that out a little bit. Let's see. I am invested in Dream. If you had everything, where would you put it? If you had everything, where would you put it? What is that? What is that in reference to, Glenn? I'm not quite sure. Crow's the best. Make 1 million Shiba coins every month. Plus, it pays my Netflix. Hell yeah. Yeah, you can pay Netflix. It pays your Spotify. Villa's talking about the crypto cards. Yeah, once you sign up with one of their cards, too, it's pretty awesome. It unlocks all kind of cool stuff for you. Gives you free streaming software or free subscriptions to streaming platforms, which is pretty sweet. Definitely, yeah. That shit's awesome. That shit is awesome. Let's see here. Shiba Doge got listed on L Bank this morning. New Shiba Doge Army NFTs launched this April. They have big partnerships at Elon's space event. Possible Mark Cuban going to be back in the project per Telegram community. Wow. Precision Turf, that's big. Yeah, Shiba Doge is setting up nicely here. I really think they're setting up nicely. Again, let's go look over at that chart, Shiba Doge's chart. They are just flatlining here, guys. I think they're getting ready for takeoff. Really do. I love when we get these long consolidation patterns, right? This just trading sideways forever. That's exactly what we've seen here for Shiba Doge. Look at this. That is just sideways action. Look at that. Sideways action straight across. Getting ready for, I think, another pop here. Shiba Doge. And a lot of things happening. Getting listed on L Bank this morning. We've got the new NFTs that Precision's talking about. They've got a big partnership at Elon's space event where they're going to send Elon to space, which is pretty cool. That little action figure. I did a video on that, actually. It's pretty neat. So yeah, I think SHIB Doge is in a good spot here. They're up about 7%, 8% today. So yeah, I do like SHIB Doge a lot, especially at this level right now, and we're just trading sideways. So I would put it in ShibToro, 0% buy tax right now. Power of flexonomics. Yeah, that's nice. ShibToro has no buy tax for the next 12 hours. We're on a little bit of a dip here with ShibToro. Let's take a look at the chart here. A little bit of a dip on the last few days, but probably a needed dip after moving up for about a week or so. Yeah, we're down about 3% right now. That's okay. 14.67 now with no buy taxes. That's nice. Somebody got a 2.63 ETH buy in there just now. Let's take a look at WAGMI. Let's see where WAGMI's at. I did a video on WAGMI, guys, yesterday. If you want to learn more about them, let me take you over to the channel real quick. Welcome in everybody new too. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button if you like what you're hearing here. Make sure you hang out with us each and every morning. We're going to start doing some evening live streams too, because that's what the people want. And I think just live streams in general are a lot of fun. So yeah, did a WAGMI video yesterday, guys, about their new NFT drop. If you want to check that out, it's over there on the channel. The last video posted 15 hours ago there. But let's bounce back over here, and we can see here, man, it's had a huge run. Let me get rid of that comment. There we go. Yeah, WAGMI, guys. It's been on a tear, okay? On an absolute tear. This thing launched way back in December 2021, but, it's not one of those play-to-earn games where it's like, hey, we're going to have this game out 8 months from now. No, they're like super close. They're supposed to be launching it in April, so we'll see. If that thing launches in April, man, it's going to be big because they've got a really legit team and what looks to be a game that a lot of people are going to enjoy. I'm not a huge gamer, but it's a tower defense game. So check it out. Check out the video too, if you haven't seen it. And, just do your own homework. Check out their website. They've got, their white paper up there. Give it a look. Proof of stake is POS. Don't care for it. I like my money hard and expensive. It adds value. Why is platinum worth more than gold? It is harder to refine, harder to mine, makes more value. Thanks, Salvatore, for that comment there. Staking goes live this month on Shiba Doge as well. Nice. 2 times a day would allow you to reach a larger audience. Yeah, for sure, Sengui. Diop3. Sorry, man. I'm trying to get that name right. But yeah, man, 2 times a day would be good, especially there's new people tuning in all the time. And, the night streams are gonna hit a whole different segment of the population. Because I know a lot of people on the West Coast they're not up. They're not up this early, right? It's early as heck on the West Coast right here. 6:38 still. We're looking great. Complacency. We're looking great with the charts today, and where Bitcoin is closing over 46. Man, it's amazing. Does the price of the coin affect the staking rewards, or is it just how much money of the coin you have in it? The price of the coin does not affect it. It's just what the platform wants to award you for staking it. So each and every asset is different, Luke, right? So if you come over here, you can calculate your rewards based on, which asset it is. You can see here, like right now we've got, Bitcoin, they want to give you 4%, Tether 8%. So it really just depends on the asset, and it depends on the length of time you want to stake it for and how much of Chronos token you're buying in order to unlock these other rewards. Does that make sense? So it's the term, it's the amount of Chronos you want to stake, and then basically it's up to the platform to provide a percentage that you'll earn on that given asset. That changes, from asset to asset. Okay. OKX listing for Saitama, guys, coming up 3 p.m. Pacific time. Crypto Fusion. Yeah, big news there for Saitama. Loving that. Happy for all members of the Wolfpack. We needed some good news. That was definitely some good news. Certainly. Oregon, thanks so much for the $5 super chat. When using Coinbase to swap coins out, how do you get around the gas fees? Okay, Morgan, those aren't are you talking about Coinbase Exchange? Those aren't gas fees. Those are just fees, general fees. Now, you have something called Coinbase One, which I basically just got. Okay. So if you go to Coinbase One, I just got this. Okay. Coinbase One, it's in beta right now. So Coinbase One is a subscription product. It's $30 per month. Okay. But members have zero trading fees. So if you're somebody who does a lot of trading and, especially converting from one crypto to the other, if you do this somewhat regularly on the exchange side of things, Coinbase One is the way to go. So I'm on my free month trial right now, but then I am totally cool paying the $30 per month. So it shows you how much money you're actually saving when you actually, make these transactions. It shows you what your fees would have been. So like already this month in March, I started like in mid-March with Coinbase One. Actually, probably beginning of March, maybe 3 weeks ago, something like that. But already I think I've saved like $180 in fees just by paying the $30 Coinbase One fee. Does that make sense? So by paying the subscription model of $30 per month, I'm not paying any trading fees whatsoever, which is legit. So yeah, I was totally on board when I saw this. So yeah, I think right now they're still in beta. It says you'll be notified via email or in the Coinbase app that you can sign up. For me, it was on the Coinbase app. Let me pull this up so I can show you exactly where it is and see if you're actually able to check this out. And there's a 30-day free trial too. There's no fees on this. Okay. So on the Coinbase app, if you on the top left, you got the 3 bars up there, and then, you'll see this. If you scroll down right where it says get Coinbase wallet at the bottom, I had a little button that said get Coinbase One. So again, it's just under, those three bars, left hand top, scroll down, and you should see, if you're up for the beta, you should see it right here on this screen. It'll say get Coinbase One, start your 30-day free trial. It's super worth it, guys. Super legit. So you could just pay with Coinbase One with your linked debit card to your account, which I have that. Or if you have available cash in your USD balance right on there, or your linked bank account there with ACH. So it's legit. I don't know if you guys have it. I don't think everybody is able to get it yet. But yeah, you can cancel it anytime too. But yeah, I'm totally on board now with Coinbase One. That is the shit for me. So good morning, Emmett. How we doing, man? Made a lot of profit just from this small start of a bull run. Love it, Emmett. That's what I love hearing, man. That's what I love hearing. Making that loot. You don't get around gas fees. Yeah, that's right, Boca. Nobody does, right? That's good. That's good. If you mean Coinbase wallet and DeFi trading, you do not. Yeah, he might mean Coinbase wallet, but he didn't specify much. So I don't know if he was talking about Coinbase Exchange or what. ShibToro, only a $5 million market cap right now. Yeah, I mean, I made my video on ShibToro. I think this can certainly 7x. I think it could be a $35 million market cap. I feel really confident in saying that too. Volt is pumping, is it? Let's take a look. We're looking at WAGMI. Volt's up about 4%. Is that what it looks? Yeah, it looks like 4%. Ooh, SHIB's pumping a little bit, guys. Hell yeah. SHIB's pumping a little bit too. Volt's back into the 4s. Nice. That's good to see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we were talking about, I mean, should you be buying this Volt Inu dip? I mean, I thought, man, this was a falling knife. You didn't know when it was going to reverse, but looks like as soon as it reversed, it was a good time to kind of catch it back up on the upswing right here at like 3.6, right? What's Everrise doing? It's up a little bit too, huh? Everrise, one of the most stable investments you can make, man. And it's got upside. I mean, it's got a ton of upside. They're decentralized apps. They've got 8 of them. Very sophisticated, very, very helpful in the DeFi space. They take security into account as well. I really like Everrise. It's one of my holdings. I put a good chunk of change into it, man, and it's just been very, very stable. It's up about 15, 18%, something like that, since I put it in. I think I got in somewhere back in here, January, somewhere down in here on the way back up. So I've been very happy with my investment in Everrise, guys. And it's just very, very stable. It doesn't fluctuate. I mean, you could see here, it doesn't go like parabolic and then, drop off the face of the earth. It's a nice, stable investment that has some upside if you're looking for something like that. Apollo's on a nice dip here, nice pullback. Where's it at? Down to the 9.1. Which, I mean, you zoom in here, really, it's just consolidating, right? It's just pretty much trading sideways here since for the past 10, 11 days, really, right? ShibToro still sitting there at the 14.67. Here's Shiba Inu, guys. All of a sudden, this thing's up 11%. We're in the 2.7 range. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's see where we're at here. Shiba Inu getting some buys coming in. There's a 4 ETH, 3.5 ETH. Okay. That's looking solid. We're kind of right on this mark where we started dialing back down on March 1st. So we haven't been here for about 28 days. This is nice. Nice little reversal happening with a lot of blue chips, guys. Whether it's SHIB, whether it's, Dogecoin or Bitcoin or ETH. Let's see, where's Terarium at today? We're down a little bit on Terarium. Let's see here. All right, so Terarium's still reversing after the big fallout, that we had last week. Still slowly reversing here. We got the 3 green candlesticks working, right? But we're down about 14% here today. We really had a nice pump in the price yesterday where we got all the way up into the 5.5 range. And since have dialed it back down, but still working our way back up. Holy crap, is this live? Yeah, dang. We are live, man. Zach, when are you going to cover B-Rise and SafeMoon? I've covered SafeMoon on the channel a little bit. I have not covered B-Rise yet. What do you think about Avalanche? I think it's a big winner right now. I mean, I'm pissed, Bread Guy, that I didn't get in early on it, but you can't hit on everything, right? Jeep Man, thanks so much for the super chat. Zach, check out KDA chart. People should know about this project. Yeah, let's check it out. KDA. Also, other than the listing, any other news on Saitama? Oh yeah, Kadena. We've heard about Kadena. Let's look at their chart real quick first. Jeep Man, then we could talk about any other news with Saitama. Kadena. Is this the chart? No. Hold on. Kadena's it was a top 100 crypto. So wait a minute, hold on. We're talking about Coinbase One, guys. This is legit with no fees. If you guys haven't heard about Coinbase One, look into it if you use Coinbase's exchange. Let's see. Kadena. Here it is. KDA. Yeah, it's still ranked in the top 100, right? Ranked number 96. Let's see. That's good. Maybe. Okay, there it is. Kadena's trading at $7.14 right now. Up about 6%. Wow. 68 million in volume in the last 24. Market cap is 1.2 billion. Okay. I mean, Kadena was at $27.64 5 months ago. So it's still 74% off its all-time high. So yeah, I mean, here's Kadena, guys. And Jeep Man, thank you again for the super chat. So here you go, guys. I mean, this is back down. I mean, you could have got in at this price back in October before it just went crazy. So maybe Jeep Man thinks this is going to happen again, right? Maybe it's going to go from 7 to back up to $25. That's what he's thinking, maybe. So there's Kadena, KDA. Do your own homework there, but that could be a good opportunity. It's a top 100 crypto. It's a top 100 crypto. Let's see. What about Saitama? Okay. Yeah, we can go back over there. I mean, guys, it's good news today. Saitama got some good news today with OKX. Okay. If we go to their official page here, we could see here. Here it is. Okay, that was other project getting listed on Cytomask. But here's the OKX support. This was put out yesterday, or I'm sorry, today, this morning. So Saitama, the trading goes live March 29th, 6 a.m. UTC, and then withdrawals 10 a.m. UTC on March 29th. So very good stuff. In terms of anything else going on with them, that's pretty much it. We're still waiting to hear a lot about Cytorelity and what happened there. Okay. But they've kind of quickly turned their attention to, getting listed on OKX, which I get it. I mean, they need exchange listings for sure. For sure. What the hell happened last night with Chris Rock and Will Smith? I saw this. Was it real? What do you guys think? Was this stage or was it real? I don't know. What actually happened? Like, I watched it a few different times, but I didn't know if it was like stage or legit. I did see Will Smith, like when he walked off of the stage after slapping him, he kind of had like this smirk on his face that made me think like it was staged. But then when he got back to his seat and yelled out to Chris Rock, I mean, that felt real. That felt like hatred. I don't know. So what do you guys think about this? Was it staged? Was it legit? It's hard to tell in Hollywood, right? Because a lot of shit's staged. I don't know. What's the difference from other tokens launch their app and staking, but Saitama can't do a fair launch or anything right? Terrence, I mean, it's been frustrating, man. It's been one of the most frustrating things, we've seen, man, is the launches that have happened. Well, the first exclusive launch on Cytomask really wasn't even exclusive, right? Because it was also available on Uniswap. Now we're hearing, right? At least somebody created some liquidity over there. And I don't know, man. Here's the bottom line. Here's where I sit with Saitama. I'm going to continue to cover it. I'm going to continue to tell people how I feel about it, whether it's good, bad, or indifferent. And, people can take that for what they will. And when things are good, I'll report them as such. When things are not good, I'll report them as such. I mean, that's how I'm going to take it. And, Terrence, I think right now with where they are, if it were me, I'm a nobody. I'm just some idiot on YouTube. So I'm not on their dev team or anything like that. But I would not be launching Lucky Roo. Okay, would not be launching Lucky Roo if Cytomask wasn't working flawlessly. I wouldn't be launching it. I don't think that's fair to investors. In fact, I think they're doing all of us as investors a huge disservice. By having these launches, like this Cytorelity launch should have never happened. Like they were not ready to go. And they're going to say like, oh, well, we're the guinea pigs or screw that. We don't want to be the guinea pigs and lose a bunch of gas money. I don't want to be the guinea pig. I want it to work. Test it on some other folks. Test it another way. Don't go live with it. Test it somewhere else. We'll never know until we do it. And then, yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's just, but hey, here today, up 37%. Excited about what's to come here with the OKX listing tomorrow. I think that's a great positive catalyst. Did you hear that word? Positive catalyst for Saitama. I do talk positively about Saitama. I did for 4 or 5 months before shit turned south. Okay. So yeah, that's where I'm sitting right now. But right now it's been a nice it's been a nice day for the overall market and for Saitama. So, what about Polygon? I like Polygon. Great long-term hold for me, Pradeep. Thanks, JP. I appreciate you, man. Doge is on fire. Yeah, it has been on fire. Neko. Yeah, Neko was on fire yesterday, huh? Where was that one at? Let me see where Neko is. Oh, we're on the BNB side here. We got to pop back over to Ethereum here. There it is. Yeah, that thing was just flatlining, and then we had a nice surge. Nice. Neko back up 140%. Yeah. Look at that thing. We'll see if it can continue to climb, though. Where's Pochi? This is one that coming out of the Inuasha team that I need to do. I need this thing to reverse, man. I'm upside down in this. I know a lot of people are too. This was one that just it didn't hit. It had a great launch, and then look at this. It is just flatlined, man. It's still alive though. The NFTs are not out yet, so this is one where I lost my ass on. I mean, it happens. It happens. Look at this. Shiba Inu back up 14% now. Hell yeah. Almost into the 2.8s here on SHIB. Getting a nice little pump here. Up 14%. Hell yeah. Boba Tama about to explode. Where are we at with Boba? Down 6%, looks like. Here's Boba. So yeah, we're pretty much right back down to where we were when we started to reverse again back on the 21st a week ago. So this might be time to pop in there, especially if you want to, swing trade this. Could get a nice reversal here on Boba. It's found its footing though. That's good. I mean, it's found some consolidation, which is good. I mean, some of these other crypto projects, they go up like this and they just come all the way down and they don't recover. Right. So I like that this has kind of found its zone here, right? And so that's good to see for Boba. Good morning, Nabil. Have you looked at ADA altcoins, Sunday swap? Yeah, I mean, a little bit. The Cephix, there's a ton of them. But yeah, I know there's a lot of great opportunities. And is Coinbase assets working? I'm not sure. Is that a piece of Coinbase? Coinbase assets? Do I think Baby Doge gets listed on a tier 1 exchange this year? It could certainly happen. It would probably be Binance. CoinViewCap, March 30th. Yes. What's up, Tim? Yeah, we took a look at Neko. I'm trying to get to as many comments as I can, guys. I really am. I know some people get upset that sometimes I don't see their comment. I'm trying like hell to get to all of them. Do you think that Baby Doge? Okay, yeah, I got that. What do you think about Phantom and Everrise? Like them both. Hold them both. Yeah, I was getting Phantom under $1. Where's Phantom at right now? Actually, let's see. Phantom rank 44. We're at $1.48. Okay. Over the last 180 days, though, yeah, we were up over $3 a couple different times. Yeah, back in November and then again in January. Wow, I didn't realize that. January this year, we set all-time highs on Phantom. No shit. I did not know that. So yeah, we set all-time highs. Well, it says here we didn't. We set it back in October. Okay, so it must not just be taking all that in. But we got close to all-time highs again here in January on Phantom. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, Phantom's a great long-term play, I think, in my opinion, guys. Don't forget to like that smash button if you're just popping in. Appreciate you hanging out with me this morning. We're talking about doing an evening stream too, guys, for everybody who can't catch these ones on, especially on the West Coast, because when I go on at 9 a.m., it's 6 a.m. out there. So. Baby Doge is the next SHIB. It could be the next SHIB, Chad, but it needs whales, man. It needs whales. Thanks, Chad Musco. Tell me more about Baby Doge. When will it be put on a tier 1 exchange? Chad says, yes, it will. Zach is a newbie. Well, I'm relatively new to crypto, but Chad, I would say it's not going to become SHIB unless it gets the whales, because it has more holders. Baby Doge already has more holders than SHIB, but that doesn't matter if the holders are holding small amounts versus people who are holding SHIB. A lot of whales there, a lot of Ethereum whales holding SHIB, millions and millions of dollars worth of SHIB. Yeah, it's still just on those bars, man. Immortals. Yeah, we can pop off of them. We can go back to the bars or just regular candles. Thoughts on Lilly? The transparency is unbeatable. They're live on L Bank today. Yeah, a lot of stuff going on with Lilly. A lot of people want me to start covering Lilly again, and I'm open to it, honestly, guys. I mean, I can pretty much cover anything and give my opinion about it, good or bad, right? I mean, so obviously Lilly had a terrible launch, right? But that doesn't mean the project is a bad project. It just means it had a terrible launch. And there were some shady things that happened, and I don't know exactly how it all went down, but since then, it seems like from the outside looking in that they have gotten their shit together. So it looks like they're being listed today on L Bank. It says 200 lucky winners share 4,000 LY giveaway. So L Bank is listing Lilly Finance. This is coming out today. They just crossed over 9,300 holders. They also had, I mean, this is some real stuff here. They had some great news coming out when they're helping somebody in desperate need. Where was the tweet actually? I think, oh, here it is right here, guys. This is Michelle Baisley, who is, working alongside Brad Beatty over here at Lilly, says, delivered, surgery could not have gone better. The photo is primarily bandage. Family relieved and grateful. We could not have asked for a better miracle. And it was at Lilly Finance, at Brad Beatty. Thank you for all your support. And so Lilly Finance certainly, doing great things to help out real people here, especially people in desperate need. So from that standpoint, I respect that, right? That's what it's all about. So yeah, I mean, I'm totally open to starting, covering Lilly a little bit and just keeping people informed and up to date. So maybe I will put out, a video on Lilly here in the coming days, or maybe even later today. Let's see. Patrick, I didn't really fall off of Lilly Finance. I mean, I was, straight up, man, I was covering it a lot early on because I was excited about how it would help Saitama. I really was. And I thought it was just a very unique project. From my vantage point, I had spoken with Brad on multiple occasions, and, you never really know somebody, but it seemed like he was a good guy from the outside, looking in. And, and obviously the whole debacle happened with the launch, and a lot of YouTubers' names were smeared in the mud, and it was just a very toxic environment, and it really created this toxic turnover, I think, within a lot of different communities. In the Saitama community, it turned them against Lilly, and it's just, I don't know. And honestly, I just wanted to kind of distance myself away from that a little bit, because I'm not a negative person. I don't like that shit at all, man. So I just wanted to take a step back from it all. And, maybe that's why I even took a step back from covering Saitama, because shit got super toxic there, and still can be. And, I just don't think that's good for anybody involved, whether you're invested in Saitama, whether you're not, whether you're just on the outside looking in. I mean, imagine being somebody new to crypto and that's what you stumble into. I mean, you're not going to want to get involved with that, right? So, but we'll see. I mean, I'm not saying Lilly is a bad project. All I'm saying is they had a failed launch. Their launch didn't go well at all. So again, I'm speaking negatively in one way about their launch, but I do think from a positive perspective, they're obviously helping real world people. We're seeing that. and they obviously have a mission that's unique, and not a lot of people are doing it in their space. So there are some positives and there are some negatives. I could talk about both of them. Let's see. So it was real. The whole thing with Chris Rock and all that was real? Was it really? No shit. No shit. Look at everybody's face at the Oscars when Will Smith did that. Oh, we got somebody so upset about the coffee slurping. Sorry, Shane. Have a good day. People crack me up. They get so bent out of shape. Too much vile coffee slurping. That's hilarious. I'm going to leave this up. Too much vile coffee slurping. I mean, you want to talk about somebody who's easily triggered. Shane, I'm sorry, man. Yeah, this was crazy, man. So he's not going to file a police report. Okay. Crazy. Let's see. Let's go back over here. He lost his cool. He wasn't right for what he did, but it was a normal reaction to stress he's most likely been under. Yeah, I agree, Kevin. It was gross. A pitiful show of power. If someone slapped me, I would probably slap them back. SHIB is pumping. It is pumping. Oh, we're in the 2.8s, guys. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's see here. Oh, we're getting some buys coming in. Look at that. Buy wall. All right, here. Wait. Let's zoom it out to 15 mins. There we go. That looks good, huh? 30 minutes. Let's go 30. That's cool. Yeah, SHIB's up 15%. Yeah, Neko's pumping, man. Yeah, we talked about it earlier. Clifford Inu, is it pumping too? I haven't looked at Cliff in a while. Coin pumping again? Where's Cliff? See if we can find it. Come on, Clifford. There it is. Maybe. Oh my gosh, people made Clifford Elon. This should be Clifford Inu, I would think. Hopefully. There's some more slurping for you. This is not loading up. What the shit? Okay. I don't know where it is. Let's see here. Where's Cliff? Where's Cliff? Let's see. Clifford. Is it jumping? No, it's down. It's down 8%. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let's see here. I want to go back over to BNB chain real quick and check out Zelda. There it is. Up 5%. Okay. This thing gonna show up? What's going on with Dex Tools here? There we go. Okay, there we go. There's 30 minutes one day. Let's see here. All right, that looks good there on the 1 day. We're coming back up. Let me go back out here and let's go to bars. There we go. Nice. Zelda's just trading sideways, man. I think this is getting ready to pop. They're doing some really cool stuff, guys. I don't know if you guys have heard about Zelda Inu. I'm partnered with them. They look at this. They've actually had 4 different donations already to rescues to help dogs. Very cool stuff. So here was their first ever.
Hi guys, what's going on? This is Vince from the Zelda Inu team. We are on day one of our first charity donation. We found an awesome organization, nonprofit to donate to called Vintage Cause, and basically they rescue elderly animals that have nowhere to go. So that really touched our hearts. At the end of the day, anybody can be helped. But animals, they can't help themselves. It's going to be one that'll help animals,
Yeah, which one is it?
It's called Zelda Inu.
I'm going to write that down.
Some of our dogs, like Lexi's ours. Rusty's a hospice case that he's got a forever foster.
Appreciate you inviting us to the event today, and me and the team have something else for you, so we'll be right back.
The purpose of our lives is to help one another. We believe that dogs come into ours to teach us about love and care. Our team has got us this far, but now is the time we all unite to make a revolutionary impact in this world. So we ask you to join on this amazing journey, and let's get this thing started.
So you can see they've done a second donation. Here's their third one of 15,000, and then 33,000 recently. Their fourth one, must see donation of $33,000 to Pet Pal Animal Shelter. Very cool stuff. So you can check out their tokenomics. Obviously, that is their main focus and main mission. The charity aspect, going back to rescues. Check it out. Who doesn't love dogs? I'll say that. It's really cool. I had a chance to talk with Vince and their whole team. So really like what they're building. That's over on the Binance side, if you're interested. So Joseph's got a super chat. Joseph, thank you so much for dropping that in. I really suggest looking into Hex and the new Pulse chain launched. Not enough on YouTube on this. Appreciate that, Joseph. I know the Hexicans have been very, very loud and proud for several years. So I do have to look at Hex, man. I got to look deeper. I appreciate the donation. Seller is an alternative to Matic in layer 2. Tori, yeah, I've jumped into Seller before, especially back in November, man. That thing was on a tear. Let's see where Seller is. CLR, Seller Network. Ranked just outside the top 200, guys. But you're going to see here, look at the pop back. Way back here. Look at this. Yeah, this thing was on a tear back in September. For sure. We rode this thing. I think I got in right around 6 cents or so, and I think I rode it all the way up to about 16, 17. Turned a nice little profit there in Seller. People asking, am I staking Heal the World token? I'm not staking it. I am holding Heal the World, though. Let's see where it's at. It's been pretty steady, Heal the World. Another charity token that I'm impressed by. And Mr. Wonderful actually endorsed these guys. Oh, wow. Heal the World's actually on a nice little upswing here. Nice. Let's see here. Candles. There we go. So there you go. I mean, this thing's just been kind of consolidating. So I covered it on the channel right here on March 13th. So if you're looking for, if you go to Heal the World token, vid should come up. Here it is right here. So if you just type in Heal the World token, you should see mine pop up right here. Full review. Kevin O'Leary endorsed it. Really cool project. Austin just covered it too on his channel. Check it out. Give it a look. Not financial advice, but give it a look. So let's see. That's nice to see that Heal's reversing a little bit, though. Very nice. Let's go. Okay. Let's see. SHIB is pumping, guys. We might get into those threes. Mm-hmm. Here we go. Where is Bitcoin pumping too? A little bit. A little bit. But SHIB's really pumping here, guys. Let's see. In the last hour, yeah, it's Waves and Shiba Inu in the last hour that have had the most pop. So yeah, there's SHIB 7% in the last hour, 22.5%. Oh, look at Chili's. Up 37.5% in the last week. Mina Protocols popping nicely. Even Pancake Swap. Wow. Solana's so volatile, man. Solana moves so quickly and moves down so quickly too. Let's see. Kong Tama cooking up. Is it really? I mean, it looked like it was pretty much down and out there a few days ago. Where's it at? I've never got into this thing. SHIB trying to get into the threes, man. Let's go. Kong Tama. Is it reversing a little bit? Let's see. Kong Tama. Not really. I mean, at least it's found some sort of support here. But man, it's still trending down. That's not good. Let's see. Shiba's always, guys, I'm way behind in chat, so I'm trying to get in here. So Zombie, yes, still bullish on Zombie. Let's take a look at where we're at. I know the NFTs just dropped. Zombie Inu. This one's been around for a while. We were talking about this last fall. Shiba going crazy. Yep. All right, Zombie's still slowly trying to reverse back. So, yeah, we're up about 6.3% on Xenu today. Cross-chain, 16,500. Over 16,000 holders just on the Ethereum side. Here's SHIB. Yeah, we're getting some pumpage out of SHIB right now. Let's keep this rolling here. Let's go to 5-minute charts here. Why does it look like that? Why does that look terrible? I don't want that either. Why do the bars look so bad? 15? Look at that. Dex Tools is all jacked up. How about, yeah, look at that. It's all jacked up. 1 hour, that looks terrible. 2 hour, look at that. 12, okay, kind of normal. Candles, there we go. Okay, there we go. Here's the 5-minute chart, guys, on SHIB. Let's go. Up 20% in the last hour, basically. The last couple hours. Bitcoin's at 47.5. Bitcoin's been on a tear. Look at this thing. Look at over the last month even. You can start to see this has been happening for the last couple weeks here. If we get this to load. Yeah. Be nice to get back up to 48K. A lot of people calling for over 50 this week. It could definitely happen. Could definitely happen. XRP, is that looking solid or something? Are we getting a little pop in XRP? I don't know what's going on with the internet here, guys. It's giving me a little, slowing down on me a little bit. Here's XRP. 6% up, 88 cents. Nice. Certainly had a nice little pop there. Thinking about selling SHIB. Yeah, Joe, I mean, depending on when you got in, I mean, shit. If you got in over here at like the 2-1 level, right, where we were talking about it, down at here, let me zoom back out here. We were talking about it right here. I mean, pretty much straight up, or just back on the 15th, we're at 2-1, and even down in here, 2-0, 2-1. That's the time to buy it. And then if you want to swing it, here you go. You could certainly do that with SHIB. You could certainly swing this. 100%. I'm playing the long game on SHIB, though, so. Foxy's a cat person, not a dog person. See, I'm a dog person. I like cats are cool, but. Zach, I haven't heard you talk about Shiryu in so long. They won the Crypto Dubai Expo Award for Best Upcoming Game and now have 41K holders. Yeah, I mean, I like what Shiryu has built, Alvin. I just think, for me, it's gotten lost in the shuffle a little bit, like a lot of these cryptocurrencies, man. But it doesn't mean I don't. I just typed Alvin's name instead of Shiryu. Shiryu. I don't think it's a bad project by any means. I've covered it on the channel before. And, think it still has a lot of great potential. Right? I mean, but here's your chart. I mean, it's been out since October, late October. We've just been kind of flatlining. I mean, there's just, a lot of other things going on in the space, right? I mean, you could essentially get in right now where it was on day, whatever that is, 6 or 7 or whatever. Okay. But it had the huge run up. And then, I mean, it's since kind of just slowly come way back down here. And we'll see. Could it pop up there again? Yeah. Do I think it's going to happen tomorrow? No. It's going to take a while. Shiba pumping. SHIB on fire today. Oh, yeah. Big time. What's up, Crypto Queen? Good morning. Everything is pumping, yeah. Daniel slowly getting closer to considering risk on moves, but I'm still of the mind we must take profits liberally at the moment. Yeah, Daniel thinks we were in a big bear market or getting ready to be in a bigger bear market, but I think crossing over that 46K mark might have his head turning a little bit, or at least spinning a little bit, his brain spinning a little bit. Because once we crossed over and closed over that 46K mark, that was big. Guys, don't get it twisted too. You know what's right around the corner, right? You know it's right around the corner. Bitcoin Conference 2022, right? So how many people are, maybe sitting there thinking, some of the whales are thinking, hey, it would be a really good time to pump Bitcoin right around the time of the Bitcoin 2022 conference, right? Are we getting a gala pump? Let me look at that. Let me look at that real quick. Gala. Where the hell's it at? ApeCoin's another one I want to talk about. That thing is cruising up 55% this week. Gala, there we go, up to 27 cents. I'll take it. I started accumulating Gala down at 18. So, yep, keep them coming. That thing was up to 40 cents or so. What? About a month and a half ago, something like that. Let me see. Was it within a month ago? Might have been a little bit longer now. Now, we were basically right here a month ago, so it was a little longer than that. I got to the 90. Yeah, here it was. Here was the pop back in February. Got all the way up to 36 cents or whatever. After being way down here at 18, basically just doubled in like a week. Just like, boop. That was a nice little swing trade opportunity. Anything on Elon? We talked about it a little earlier, Street Strolling. I'm still holding my Elon. It's popping a little bit today. It's nice. It's good to see. SHIB's up 21%, 2943. Let me refresh that. But what do you guys think? I mean, do you think there's something to this? Bitcoin pumping on we're going to take a look at Elon here in just a minute. Bitcoin pumping right before the big Bitcoin conference. Do you think some whales kind of came together and they're like, hey, let's make sure we're getting back into this bull cycle when we have this, biggest conference for Bitcoin ever? They're expected this to be the biggest conference for Bitcoin ever, guys. So there's Sound Money Music Festival happening April 9th, 10 a.m. Eastern, Miami Beach. I'm going to check that out a little bit. That's the last day, the Sound Money Fest at Zanholo, looks like it'll be there. Largest Bitcoin conference in history, starts in 9 days, 23 minutes ago. Will be an unforgettable event as Bitcoin continues to exceed. Guys, I'm going to jump to the new comments here. I'm so behind. Let's see. SHIB to the moon. Saitama OKX listing. Yeah, great day for Saitama. Great day for SHIB. That's what I'm talking about. Back to the positivity. Back to the days where things were just great, right? I can't wait to get in the bull cycle, not only for everybody to make money, but just for people to start being nice. Watch how nice people will get when everybody's making money. Nobody will have there'll be no shit talkers out there because everybody's going to be happy as hell making money. I bought it 28 cents. Henrock, I mean, you're still good there. I mean, honestly, if you're holding there, 38 cents. I mean, yeah, you got it up on a little bit, but honestly, dude, you're okay. I mean, if you're planning on holding that for the long term, you're going to be fine, man. I think so, at least from my opinion. Not financial advice, but I love Gala, man. I think it's going to be super big. Super, super big. Let's see what else is up here. I'll be at the Shitcoin conference in Miami this upcoming week. Will, is that a different conference than this one? Or are you just facetiously calling Bitcoin a shitcoin? Let's see. So Robert Breedlove is speaking at the Bitcoin conference. This is a great follow, great podcast. Freedom Maximalist, Fiat Currency is Falsehood, Bitcoin is Honest Money, Learning Out Loud on What is Money. Robert Breedlove is a great person to listen to. He's got a great podcast, brings on great speakers. So he'll be speaking at Bitcoin 2022. We are giving away 10 million Satoshis to one lucky person who buys a ticket to the event through my affiliate link. We've got John Walls, host Bitcoin Rapid Fire podcast, Closing the Loop podcast. He'll be speaking. So I'm really looking forward to this, guys. Can't wait. Here's Miami's airport, home of the world's largest Bitcoin conference. Here's the whole agenda that they just released. So I'm going to be creating a bunch of content out at this thing too, guys. I'm going to try to get a hold of some people for some quick interviews while I'm there, but maybe be doing some vlogs too while I'm there. What do you guys think? What do you guys want to see? What do you guys want to see? Let me know in chat. What do you guys want to see from me at the Bitcoin conference? And I'll try to create some content around that. There's going to be some big names there too. Jack Dorsey. I would love to meet Jack Dorsey. Get an interview. Robinhood's down, really? I see. Yes, Steven. I see a bull run happening with Bitcoin closing over 46K. That's big. I think we're getting ready. I think we're getting ready for our next big run. I really do. And everything indicates that. I mean, we can see where's the fear and greed. Here's your crypto fear and greed index. Check this out. We are now in greed. Look how quickly that thing could change. Last week we're in fear. Last month, fear at 26. Yesterday, neutral. Now, greed. Why? Because that $46,000 number was big. Okay, here you go. March 22nd, you're down here at 26. And boom, up at 60 here 6 days later. That's pretty insane. Go out 3 months. This is the highest we've been on this index in the last 3 months, folks. Highest we've been on the crypto fear and greed index in the last 3 months. Elon up over 20%. I sold my Elon for ShibToro. Hope it'll be a good play. Oh, and Ernesto, I think they'll both be good plays. I really like where ShibToro's heading, man. Be fearful when others are greedy. Sure. Yeah, we can probably expect a little bit of a pullback once we get, we saw it when we were in the bull run. When things get too greedy, a pullback is coming. Crow about to hit 50 cents. Nice. Love to see it. I want to see that thing hit over $1 later this year. I think it'll happen. I think Crow is just going to be a great long-term play. You guys know where I sit on that. Let's see what else is happening here. Bitcoin 47.3 coming back down a little bit. SHIB 2905. Nice. Still, one of the big movers here in the last hour. Good vibes. Yeah, we've done some lives together before. Robinhood down? I haven't heard that. Is Robinhood down? Let's see. Hold on. We appreciate the feedback. It's not allowing me to transfer more than 5K a day. Okay, that's just more than 5K a day. I don't think it's down. Okay. I don't think they're down. Yeah, Simon, I've covered XRP quite a bit on the channel, actually. There's probably definitely more than 10 XRP videos on my channel at some point. I've talked about them on live streams before. I'm very, you know, my analysis is very simple on XRP. Their use case speaks for itself. It's 100% a great use case. It's lightning fast. It's a better system. It's a system that I think we can all use and should use, but they're in this big battle with the SEC. And until that, we get more clarity on that, until I get more clarity on that, I am not going to be a heavy investor into XRP. And some might say, well, you got to be willing to take the chance now. You got to take the risk and you got to put the money into it now before this thing finishes. I hear that. But I just think there are other winners where I don't have that risk associated with it, right? There are other big horses, in my opinion, where I can put my money that I feel a lot more comfortable because they're not in an ongoing battle with the SEC right now, right? Insert Crocoin, insert Gala, insert Ethereum, insert Polygon, insert Shiba Inu, insert Bitcoin, insert Cardano, right? These are all blue chip assets. Insert Terra Luna. So insert a lot of these other blue chips that I'd rather just put my money into because they don't have this ongoing crap happening with the SEC. So Robinhood should list SHIB. I mean, it's ridiculous, honestly. They've lost so much money by not listing SHIB. You know, all you got to do, check this out. Robinhood revenue. See, I've searched this before. Revenue in 2021 by quarter. Okay. Let's see. Oh, see, this is the one that I didn't like. Hold on one second here. Let's see here. Let me zoom in here. Robinhood. Like, I want to see their, okay, transaction-based revenues for the quarter increased 12%. I want to see like their quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like, because if you look at Q1 and Q2, when Dogecoin was going crazy, especially back in 2022, they were making so much money off Doge. And they could have been making all that money on the back half of 2021 if they'd have listed SHIB, but they didn't. So, yeah, they don't have. Oh, here it is. Here's a breakdown. Okay. They don't break it down by quarter though. All right. So they've obviously made way more money. I mean, here's your earnings 2020, total assets, total liabilities. Okay. Okay. Do they do it by quarter? They don't. Okay. But basically, there were tons of articles out at the time that they were just losing money like crazy because the Dogecoin craze went away and everybody shifted their focus to Shiba Inu. And Robinhood could have had a huge piece of that pie, but they just refused to list Shiba Inu. So, but you understand if that XRP loses, all your other safe cryptos could be in trouble too. Yes, I understand that. That's a good point, Simon. I agree. Because then they would go after other cryptos and claim that they too are securities, right? Is that what you're saying? I get that, but we would have time to move, right? We would have time to move our money around, right? Like I wasn't in crypto heavy enough back in 2017 to be heavily invested in XRP, you know, when it was like 1 cent. That would be different, right? I just think right here, right now, it's it's not for me personally, it's not in my best interest to go heavily invest heavily invested into XRP at this point. I'd much rather put that money in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Crocoin. I mean, right there, SHIB. So that's just me. I mean, again, everybody teach their own, all right, so SHIB right now, let's see where we're at. 2943. Did we dial back a little bit? No, we're still there. 2943. Let's check Saitama. Where's Saitama at? Come on, Saitama. Be up 100%. All right, we're still at 35.83%. But there we go. Once Robinhood wallets are launched, SHIB will be listed. Has to be why. John, I mean, the wallets are out. I don't think they're out for everybody yet, but I've used it. I was one of the first ones on the wait list for the Robinhood wallets. They're slick too, man. They work really well. Let me see if I can even show you guys what it looks like. I'll even open up my Robinhood here. Hold on, let me see. Let me open this up and then I'll bring this over. Yeah, I got it here. Here we go. All right, guys. So here's my Robinhood. Okay. So Robinhood wallets. I don't have a lot of stuff on here. I've, 1 share of Apple, CPRX, 2 shares. I got some ETH. Where did I get this? At 32.81. My average cost in these. I got these a while back and, just been kind of hanging out with them. So nice return today. Today's return, $134. I do like Robinhood's setup, man. I really do. Okay, so how would I do this here? Send and receive, I think, right? Wallet transfers. Is that how we do it? Yeah. So there you go. Send in Ethereum, and then I'd put my amount in here, right? I'm not actually going to send this, but like 25 ETH, that would be a shit ton. 1 ETH. And then you would paste my, let's say in my case, like MetaMask wallet right here. Okay. And that's it, dude. I mean, hit review and it sends it, and it was instant. I mean, I did it right when I got access to it. So literally that's it. The wallet's integrated right in here. Paste your ETH wallet address right here and bang. I mean, it's done. So pretty sweet. Pretty sweet, actually. It works, man. So if y'all want to join Robinhood, my link down in the description. Should I share this on Twitter? Hopefully one day, man, it'll get listed here. I mean, here's the past week. Nice. I'm up $1,000 in the past week on my Robinhood account because I'm so heavily invested in up 1,700 in the past month. I was getting drilled there for a while. Let's see. What should I buy? Should I buy something? Maybe I should. Is there anything down? Where's the S&P? I want to start buying more SPY. Ooh, it is down actually, huh? A little bit. Where's AMC? Exactly. It's a great point. The whales never stopped accumulating SHIB. They're still adding their bags. It's a great point. We've been talking about it for months. I mean, the Shiba Inu whales are buying at these levels, guys. 100%. AMC's up 14% today, guys. How about that shit? Let's see. So that's good to see for AMC. I think the last week's been really good for them. Yeah, look at that. Last week up 46%. Let's go, AMC. Nice. Your FOMO video the other day was a great explanation. Thank you. Yeah, no problem, Robert. I think, I was just talking about a little bit about, what FOMO, caused the big run in October. This video right here, Shiba Inu holders, FOMO will occur again. And it really is that. I mean, new investors, they are really, really drawn in by the hype and the green candlesticks, right? Is AMC accepting SHIB yet? I think it is official. I'm pretty sure. I'm almost positive. Let me see. I can't wait for the Bitcoin conference, guys. I know I've been talking about this. I'm going to create a ton of different content while I'm there. I'm going to enjoy it too, but I'm going to have some content for you, and some very unique, hopefully different content, walking you around, showing you what's going on at the conference. I'm pretty pumped. AMC theaters. Let's see. I think it did go live though, right? Hold on, let me see. AMC accepting Shiba Inu. News. Let's go sort by date. Yeah, it's SHIB accepting AMC chain balance going. Yeah, it's 2 weeks ago. Yeah, has fully begun accepting Doge and Shiba Inu. Yeah, so it's live. Yep, it's live. Harmony 1. I own some Harmony. I like Harmony 1. I like 1. I like Harmony 1. I like H bar 2. Holding H bar. Harmony 1 back up 10%. Nice. Well off its all-time high here, guys. Still 55% off its all-time high. Harmony 1 set back in October. But we are back in the greed zone. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Oh. If y'all forgot to hit that like button, go ahead. You could still do that. It's totally free to do it. How many likes do we got? We got to pop over 300 likes at least, right? Where we at? Man, I'm loving these portfolios today. Man, it's a good feeling, isn't it? It is a good freaking feeling. Good feeling. Oops. 254. So we need 46 more likes to pop over 300. I think we can do that, right? Smash that like button. Now, there's 46 of you out there who forgot to hit the like button. Loving the GFA chart. Wow, look at Engine token. Is Engine flying? I'm holding Engine. Oh, shit. Where are we at? Engine? Like ENGN? Hopefully it's flying. I'm holding Engine. Come on, baby. Oh, we're flying, baby. We're flying. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. Up 100%. Let's go. Love to see it. Love to see it. Let's go. Hell yeah. Check out Peaceful Ape NFT on OpenSea. Me and 100 Tarpy bought in. Nice. Cover ApeCoin, please. Oh, yeah. ApeCoin's over here. And don't forget about ApeCoin. I don't forget about ApeCoin. That is a juicy looking chart. A little bit of a pullback today. Still up 6%, but that is a bullish, juicy looking chart. Very chart. Get some Meta. Oh, Meta stock. Could do that. Could do that. Let's see. 296. Guys, 4 more likes. Let's pop over the 300 like mark. Loving this bull run this morning, man. This is going to be a great week. Going to be a great day. Going to be a great week. Let's go. I want everybody to just start making hella bankroll. I want everybody's portfolio to just go to the freaking moon. Let's go. I want to see everybody winning, man. I want to see everybody winning. Boba's dipping a little bit here. Tara's dipping a little bit too. I want to just see everybody's portfolio rocket ship. I mean, whatever the hell you're holding, just let's send it. Let's freaking send it. Ada Crow SHIB are my go-to. Nice. You burned a few million SHIB so far. Yeah, I burned like 12 million, 15 million maybe. I'll burn some more too. Guys, I'm going to be doing another giveaway at the first of the month. So what is that, Friday? I'm going to be doing a nice giveaway Friday for everybody. Or close to Friday. Crypto.com, I just got an alert. SHIB is on the rise again. You know when the alerts start coming in from SHIB and Coinbase, they're trying to ramp this thing up, man. I love how Coinbase ran like Shiba Inu ads for months. Portfolio up 16%. Hell yeah. Yeah, my Robinhood portfolio is looking solid. Solid. Let's see. Love it. Love it. Love it. Got 2.2 ETH in here, just chilling, moving up. I wanted to get some more cryptos in Robinhood, but wait a minute. Where are the cryptos? There we go. So they don't have much. You know what I mean? Ethereum, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Doge, Litecoin, and ETH Classic. ETH Classic was going ham the other day. Why? I have no freaking idea. I have no idea why this happened the other day. Like, bang. What the hell happened? Went from $25 to 48. Just out of nowhere in like a week. Why the hell that happened, I have no idea. But yeah, I'm not a big ETH Classic fan. Yeah, Noah, just send it. Absolutely send it. Watch the movements from stable coins now. Yeah, a lot of people are going to be, jumping back in the market. Do you think Crow can get to $3 this October? $3, so at 50 cents, that'd be a 6x. It's possible, but probably not. I would say more or less like a 3x is probably probable. So $1.50? $1.50 maybe? Yeah, we're loving it, guys. Loving it. ETH. Give me all the ETH. Hutch, what's up, man? Guys, this is my cousin. He's got a YouTube channel, Hutch Nast. Go check him out. He's talking about crypto. He just put out an Apollo Inu video, actually. So, yeah, go check out his channel, Hutch Nast, guys. Give him a look and subscribe to his channel. Let me pull up his channel. Are you at 1,000 subs yet, Hutch? Let me see where he's at. Hutch Nast. We got to get this guy to 1,000. Got to get this guy to 1,000 subs. Not Hutch Post. Hutch Nast. Hutch Nast. Here he is right here, guys. 374 subs. He's talking about CRYTO. So go check out his content, guys. TERAREUM. He's got some Zombie Inu content. Apollo. Nice. So go check him out, guys. Hutch Nast. Give him a subscribe. Check out his channel. Definitely. 374. Now you're at 375. Let's get this man to... we need to get this guy to 1,000 subs. He's been at it for a while, guys. He's trying to crack the YouTube algorithm. Trying to help him out. What's up, Martin? Definitely intrigued by Apollo Inu. Oh, 100%, man. To say the least. Oops. Damn it. I deleted my Dex Tools link. Son of a bitch. Hold on. Dex Tools. Apollo's down to 8.8. Not financial advice, but that's a good price. Just saying. And again, when you zoom out here, you can see, I mean, this is just in consolidation. We've bounced off this line exactly, so just saying, guys, at this level, 8.8, just saying, probably a pretty good time, in my opinion. Let's see, MetaPets, trending on CMC, nice. We got ApeCoin, we got SHIB trending today, we got Bone trending, nice. Morning, Gary. Okay, I'm going to close up shop, guys. Been on here for an hour 45. I do think we're going to start doing more live streams, less videos and more lives. I think people want that. So real quick on your way outside, if you could just smash the like button, that'd be awesome. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll be back maybe later tonight for another live stream, sprinkled in a couple videos in there too, maybe. And I've been doing this live here in the morning, 9 a.m. Eastern for this is my third week now, I think, going on my third week. But yeah, a lot of people want to see these types of lives late at night. They're not up on the West Coast, or they're not up on the other side of the world. So we're gonna do some at night as well. So thanks so much for tuning in, everybody. Have a great day. Market is green. Everybody's portfolio should be looking nice here. Enjoy it. I think this market is turning for the better. And man, we're all going to reap the benefits and all have some success in this crypto market. This is why you buy during the red days and the red months that we've experienced over the past 3 or 4 months. And it's all worth it. Patience is a virtue in this game. Thanks so much for tuning in this morning. Cheers to everybody. Have a great rest of your day, and appreciate it very much. Thank you so much for tuning in, and appreciate all the support. I'll see you all very soon. Take care, ladies and gents. See ya.